Hey guys, how you doing? So this real quick in this particular video, we're going to be going over Skyslope Forms. Okay, my last video I showed you guys how to use Skyslope and how to put a transaction in. This time we're going to go over how to use Skyslope Forms and how that works. All right. So it's first thing, let's explain this. Skyslope Forms is basically just like Dotloop and DocuSign. All right, it is really easy to use, really simple. I mean, you need to know how to use this, even if you like anything else. If you like Dotloop, I like Dotloop a lot, guys. If you like DocuSign, fine. If you like Skyslope Forms, fine. You need to have a backup plan in case stuff goes bad. I had an issue where Dotloop wasn't working one day, and so I jumped over here and I did it this way. So you still need to be able to get your docs out regardless. Let's jump into it right away. Let's go. Okay, so I'm here in Skyslope at this point in time, so let's do this number real quick. I am going to go over to where it says apps on the grid over here, and we're going to click on forms, right? When we go into forms, this is something new they've rolled out, and it's really cool. So we're going to create a new file first, right? And the file I'm going to create, I'm representing the buyer. And we're going to add our client's information in here real quick. I'm just going to put it in real quick, and then I'll cut back to it because y'all need to know, because I'm actually doing a real deal here. So let's do that. Once you have your client's information in, just scroll on down and now put in the property address. Okay. I'll do wishbone lane here. Hassett pulls it in. All right. And this is where you would ask, okay, I want to pull in a template if you've done so. I haven't created a template just yet. I'm going to show you guys how to do that later. All right. Now, I'm here. It's really important because I've skipped a very important step that I can't go back and do at this point in time. And that important step was me connecting to my associations. Okay, now how do you do that? You need to go back in the day when you first became a real estate agent and get your NARS ID, your National Association of Realtors ID, and you need to put that in and plug that in and get so it can pull in your association. When you do that, it's going to pull in the proper associations. It's going to pull in NARS forms, and it also will pull in your local form you're part of. Like for me, it's Texas Association of Realtors, and then also my MLS board. So that way I'm getting the right docs that I'm looking for. All right, so let's jump on this for you guys real quick. All right, so for this particular one, I need to get a couple of docs. I need my wire form, wire fraud form from buyers. We're going to add that in. Okay. Real quick, I'm just going to go to next, and we're going to show you how to do that one real quick. So we have that one, and we need to add another doc in here, and that is going to be my ABA doc from EXP. I'm going to drag that over real quick. So we're going to drag this in here, let it upload. All right, boom, it is done. Okay. Now, we got the forms that we need in here. Now we're going to go in and we're going to work the forms. Alrighty. So really there's nothing to put in here but a signature. That's all I need. Well, I got to put the EXP information in here. Realty. We don't need any of that. Honestly. Put the broker number in there and we're going to save it. Alrighty. Now, we need to now add in the signatures. Okay, so we're going to prep for signatures here. And I need to sign as well. Put my email in here. I never did that. Hold up. Try it again. All right, I need to sign as well. We're going to prep this for signatures. All right. Okay, now once we got it prepped for signatures, we just got to add them in here. So mine would go right here. Theirs is going to be right here, and it is already prepped them and got it exactly what I need. All right. So at this point, I'm just going to send it on over. Now, you'll get notified an email once they actually sign the document. It'll come right back here. Then you'll be able to download it and then upload it into your Skyslope. So it's over there to them. They'll sign, and then that's what we'll do next. It's actually really easy to use. Now, I'm going to go back and do one more for you so I can show you how to do one that I have to upload up into the form. So you guys can see that one. Okay, so I'm here in the affiliated business arrangements disclosure statement that we have here, and I need to add a little bit more onto it here. So we're going to prep this one for signature as well. They need to sign, I need to sign, and we're going to go to next. It's going to pull it up here, but I need to make some changes into it so I can show you guys how we're going to edit this a little bit. Like, okie dokie. So I need a text field right here so I can put the address. All right, and the text is going to be the address here. All right, boom, that's that. I also need to put the date right here. All right, the way this works here in Skyslope, when I put the date in here right here, it's assigned to me. You got to make sure you understand who it's assigned to. So the person who's going to be signing this is assigned to them, and they're going to put the actual date in here when they sign it. And then at the bottom here, we're going to add in 2 places for them to sign here. We're going to add in a signature here. We're going to make that one for him, and one more here for that individual. All right, and that's it. So I'm going to send this over as well, and then we're going to go from there. So once again, once they get everything, they'll sign it and it'll come back over. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and sign here on my phone so we can see what that actually looks like. All right, to give you an idea what it looks like, I'm going to show you here what it looks like when you get into it. All right, so the emails will come over this way here, and we're going to get started. Click on Get Started. This is what your clients will actually see. All right, if I had some more in email, I would have said that, but I didn't. So I'm going to agree to accept the e-signatures, and I am going to put my signature in like so. This one is just fine, and we're going to use that signature. All right, I'm going to click on Finish Signing, and that's it. Okay, that's pretty much all that you have to do. Right now, I could download the signed document, view the signed docs if I want to after that, but that's it. It's really easy. This is just like Dotloop. It's just like Zip Forms. At the end of the day, if you need an alternative, it's here. And if you're part of EXP, it's 100% free 99, so you don't have to go buy something else. You can do all your entire transaction in Dotloop if you want to. All right, so it's a really good tool. I advise you to get in here, play with it, learn it, because you need to be writing contracts soon. If you're on some other platform, it's really good to know another platform so you can actually get your contracts done. All right, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace.